Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to upload a virtual classroom or a choice board or any kind of activity that you have links to it that you would like to share with your students. The first thing I need you to do is you need to go to your Google Docs where you have your work done. And these are already clickable. They already have little URLs on them ready to go. What you need to do is you need to go up to the left side and go to File, go all the way down to Publish to Web, and click Publish to Web. And you could look at those. They start talking about restarting the slideshow or have it play right away. For a clickable virtual classroom, you don't need that. So I'm going to click Publish, and then it'll ask you if that's what you want to do, and I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to copy that link. I just go up here and copy. I'm going to get out of that. And then I'm going to go over to my Seesaw. I'm going to click on Create Activity, and I'm going to call it Virtual Classroom. I've already done that, so it would help me. And the thing is that I need to upload it. So I'm going to add multimedia instructions or examples. Okay? And then I'm going to click Link. And then I'm going to click and paste my link into this box and click Check and wait till it stops spinning. And there it is. And then I'm going to click check mark up here. And then I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. And so in order for the children to be able to view it and be interactive, they need to click on the link. So it's called a link. And now it's viewable. They could push, they could click. So everything's there for them. All right, so I'm going to get out of that. All right, so I'm going to get out, and I'm back here at my Seesaw. Okay, so I'm going to click and check mark here. So what you need to do is give them a little directions, but I want to teach you a tip while we're at it. Pretend I want them to know, or I do want them to know, that they have to click on the link. So click, and I'm going to write the word link like this. And once I do that, I'm going to click Save. And look what it says, click link. So they know that they need to click this. And they could click it right from there. And there you go. And that's what it looks like for them. So there's also a great cheat sheet for Seesaw. And it helps you with those links if you didn't know. And all you have to do is go up Seesaw shortcuts, and they give you shortcuts. Okay, so that's how you do it.